Welcome to 3060 Brighton Boulevard at the corner of 31st and Brighton in RiNo. I'm Brian Baer with Mass Equities. We're a Western Region real estate development and services company. Right now we've got 5 projects going on in Denver in the sort of Front Range area. This is our largest project here. It consists of actually 3 properties, 3060, 3000, and 2900 Brighton. Pretty much spans the block from 31st to 29th. This particular project is a 70,000 square foot, 2-story industrial building that we're rehabbing into creative workspace, creative office, and look forward to delivering the building later this year. The 4 words I would use to describe this project are hidden gem in RiNo. We had no clue until we really got into this building, the bones that existed here, and just how cool this building really is and how functional it could be when you turn a great architect loose and a great development team loose. This is going to be a really cool building. We are taking the old brick building and putting an incredible glass jewel box on the corner, so it's kind of a mix of old and new. When you come inside the building, you're struck by the trusses and the infrastructure of the building. High ceilings, 22 feet, but we've also got 19 skylights in the building, which is very unique. This project is really an extension of the Mass Equities brand. Our unofficial tagline is entrepreneurial spirit with institutional results. My partners and I all come from institutional backgrounds, and so this building gives us a chance to be entrepreneurial with the creative aspects of the rehab. But what we're really doing is we're elevating the building to an institutional level of quality, which I think will resonate in the marketplace. To date, we've had a number of successes with the project. First and foremost, the interest level has been very high, and we think our timing is good. But with a 65-year-old building, there are a lot of challenges, and we've done several rehabs in the area and in the Front Range, along the Front Range. And bringing the building up to current energy code is probably one of the biggest challenges. And then beyond that, it's just unforeseen conditions. Every time you pull a wall down, make some changes, look into an area of the building, dig down, you just never know, because these old buildings, typically you don't have as-built, and so you're just working through the plan as you do the rehab. And the influences for the project is really just look around us, what's happening in RiNo. It's a very unique area with a lot of old buildings that can be rehabilitated and turned into something for their next life. And so that's really inspired us, but also the market's changing. The tenants want that type of space, and so we're leaning into that trend. I think there's going to be a lot of real estate stories in Denver in the next 5 to 10 years. If we assume the economy continues on the current trajectory, there are a number of areas that are being rehabilitated, redeveloped, and just a lot of cool things happening in Denver. So I'm excited to see the next generation of RiNo.